Hi Doreen, thank you for being here. So to answer your question, what is it that ANRA Technologies does? ANRA Technologies is an airspace and mission management company. We've been in existence since 2015 when the whole concept of airspace integration was just a research paper at NASA. So we've had the fortune of working with NASA and FAA since then. Probably one of the only companies still left standing working on something called UTM or airspace integration, as well as on the enterprise side, what we call our mission and fleet management capability. We are headquartered in DC. We have operations in offices in UK, Europe and Asia as well. And our customer base ranges from air navigation service providers to enterprises such as New York Power Authority, New York MTA and the likes, who are managing all their drones, not just one or two drone operations, but operations at scale, visual line of sight and beyond visual line of sight from a centralized operation center. So our platform will not just in simplistic term create all these virtual highways in the sky for the drones, make sure they stay deconflicted, they don't bump into each other, and if an off nominal happens, it will notify the operators in the relevant way and recommend mitigation actions. It also helps pull in the cooperative and non-cooperative data. So think drone detection, counter UAS and UTM getting married and making a baby. So it has those capabilities as well. And on the air navigation service provider, ANSP side, airspace management side, we offer our what's called UTM services in US. In Europe, they use the term USpace service, USpace, which means the same thing. So we are actually going to be one of the first entities certified by EASA, which is the European regulator, hopefully by the end of the year, early next year, to offer our USpace services all across Europe, all European member states. In US, if you have heard, with the Key Site Initiative or US shared airspace happening in Texas, where multiple drone delivery operators have come in and are operating in the same airspace, deconflicted. So we are providing those deconfliction capabilities as the only non-vertically integrated service provider as well. So our customers are MANA, Arlington PD and the sorts. So hopefully that gives you the perspective.